Ay sir, so next workout natin, ano po, row pa din siya pero dalawang dumbbell yung gagamitin natin. Same weight or a bit lighter, it's okay. Tapos sabay na yung gagawin natin, tapos na-row naman siya. So kung kanina is naka-open yung elbows, ngayon close. As close as you can, tapos elbows papunta sa likod. Okay, so inhale, exhale. Pakita natin. Okay. So paa natin, nice and wide. Lean forward, tilt forward, tapos pull. Inhale, exhale. Okay, squeeze your lats, elbows papunta sa likod, then squeeze yung armpit. Inhale, exhale, dahan-dahan. Pakita natin profile. So ganito pa. So lighter weights is okay, tapos check yung form natin. Yung back natin, ganyan yung gusto nating angle. Then exhale, inhale down, exhale up. So pull yung dumbbell papunta sa hips natin, papunta sa likod. Alright? Exhale, slow, slow, slow. Exhale up. So 10 repetitions tayo dito, 4 sets. Okay po, so narrow dumbbell row na 2 hands. So sabay siya para mas ma-kick up natin yung cardio natin. Alright? So working focus niya is yung lower part naman ng back natin, and then yung glutes, yung legs natin kasama, pati yung core natin for stabilizing the form, the position. Ito po yung gusto nating form, hindi nakaganyan. Okay? Ito yung iwasan po natin. So, do it like this. Okay? Shoulders away from your ears, butt back, knees and legs line, abs brace. Alright? Pag may bumitaw sa mga anchor point na yan, sira yung form natin, delikado po yung spine natin. Okay?